And I'm a bit pissed because I'm getting calls from the office. Look at the view, guys. Look at the view, man. Hey! Oila no? Sadol se? Bridge. Sorry. So what is up, YouTube? Today is a very surprise ride. I know I'm rushing it very much. It is a surprise to pick my bro. Hang on, hang on. Yeah. So I pick one of my bros up, and the other ones are waiting for us near the ONGC fuel pump. And because of me, there's a small delay as I got some urgent work from my office.
What happened to him?
Chalo guys, I'm done.
They'll be very pissed off with me, I guess. I don't know. There they are. Sorry guys. तो बड़ा इस साइड गया मैं. Sorry. चल. Lead the way. तो तू आस. बरं. Okay. Now you guys must be thinking who these guys are. These are the same guys. I mean, if you have not seen the Belgaum to Goa third part video, then do check them out. Introduce you to my friends. This is Hajali. That is Pyro. That is Pindola. Hey, where is Paklo? Paklo is here. Hi. I have given just their names on it. Okay, so this one is Paklo. This one is Pyro. And behind me, my pillion is Hajuli. I don't know. I'll show it to him later. Just one guy is missing. That is Apindola. Since he has work, he is not able to come or join with us. But it's okay. Sometime, some other day, we'll be going for a ride in this group, the complete group, I mean to say, very soon.
Well done.
So about the destination, we are heading towards the Kankon Taluka. First we'll be visiting the Sadolche bridge, and then we'll be heading towards the Kaljibaga bridge. That is a few distance from the Sadolche, and that is a one beautiful one. Many riders prefer to, just spend some time over there after a reckless ride or a calm ride as well. Basically, after a ride. So about this ride, this was being planned since we bought our bikes. I bought my bike in the month of October, and since then we were planning to a group ride, and we were not able to do because some of us are working, some of us are still doing their masters. So adjusting our times and getting done for once is very difficult, As we enter the age of adulthood, things will be getting a much difficult to plan out. So yes, I'm experiencing the early ages of being or getting into adulthood.
देखो मैं रो नहीं रहा हूँ, मैं खुशी में मेरे आंसू निकल रहे हैं.
Now the road that we have taken is the road from Agonda side. You can go to Kunkolim, Bali side as well, but this is a route which is very close to us. That day before going to Murdeshwar, I took that route because I had left from Naveli. That's the reason I went that way, and this is something new that you'll be able to watch.
अबे साले तभी मेरा माफ करना, गुस्से में इधर उधर निकल.
So we have finally reached Palole, and from here we are heading towards Sadolche. I don't know now if we are taking the highway or from the bazaar we'll be going. I'm a bit confused. I'll let my bro Pyro take the lead from here. किधरे? सादोळशे. एक सान राइट मारा पडटा आमकां. और बाजरा मारा पडटलें. हय. हो नया नई गाड़ी है 4568 कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन माय ब्रो ऐसी का म्हणू कित केल रेंगा आवईस सादोळशे न्हू सादोळशे होय ओके थँक यू
It was at this moment that Nathan knew. He f***ed up.
ऐसी ना रे कोणा घरा वचत वी लॉस्ट आवर वे गाइस उचा रे आ मुई पालय आ वयला न्हू सादोळशे ब्रिज मार रे शोर
Where did I even land? सालों ने स्वर्ग में पहुंचा दिया मुझे. Now similarly, if you are lost or confused about investing and want to know more about the cryptocurrency world, also want to learn how to invest wisely and make your journey to financial freedom heavenly, like this guy who is sitting up there. मेरा दुख मैं ही जानता हूँ भाई. Frankie's comprehensive cryptocurrency information course package will be at your service. ओ भाई स्वर्ग में भी मिलेगा. Yeah. Okay, so jokes apart. Make life-changing gains by investing in crypto by taking advantage of this bull run from the expert himself, Frankie Simoes, who is full of crypto knowledge and wisdom. Learn free technical videos of how to buy, sell and trade Bitcoin and other altcoins from his Crypto Discovery channel. I will leave all the contact details and the link of his channel in the description below. मेरे तरफ से कुछ डिस्काउंट तो दे देना भाई. रुको जरा सब्र करो. The early birds up till 30th of April 2024 will be getting not just 10, not just 20, but a 50% discount as it is my birthday month. So sign up as soon as possible and make this deal yours. Note, this deal is only available for the ones who sign up for the course before 30th of April 2024. मैं तो नहीं कर सकता. You guys are fortunate enough, so make this count.
Bye bye. Huh? See, Saiba, Nagdala Road, Mare. Ah, we have finally reached the Sadolshe Bridge. Yay!
Patience is waning. Is this entertaining? My patience is waning. Is this entertaining?
साले कभी नहीं सुधरेंगे. So guys, we are finally leaving from here. We are going towards the Galjipaga bridge, and I'm a bit pissed because I'm getting calls from the office. Hello sir. So now we have finally joined ourselves on the NH66 highway, which connects Goa and Karwar. Ooh, look at the view, guys. Look at the view, man. Just look at the view. It looks like there's a formation of a small island here. Yeah, leave. And it was a great evening with the boys. As I end for you guys this view, I haven't been to the beach, but I'll be planning there somewhere, somehow, sometime very soon. Let's hope for the best. That's it for the day, guys. Peace out.